Hi friends, welcome to World Explorer India. Today we are discussing about delusions as a part of psychiatric revision. So what is delusion? Delusion is a false, fixed, unshakable belief irrespective of socio-economic background. Means here we are seeing an overvalued ideas. Overvalued ideas means what they believe is true. We cannot change that belief. Usually this is seen in many of the psychiatric diseases. So delusion is a false belief and it is irrespective of cultural background, religious background, or the educational background or the intelligence the person is having. Even there is an evidence which is sufficient, it is not sufficient for them to change the false belief. So it is called as delusion. Usually it is seen in the disease conditions like schizophrenia, schizoaffective disorder, substance induced psychotic disorder, bipolar disorder, and delirium. Even dementia we can see this type. So delusion is it real or is it imagined? It is unshakable and it is untrue. So how this can be differentiated from the real, or is it only imaginary thought of a person? So these all things we are going to see in delusion. So let's start with one of the example. Delusion of persecution. Delusion of persecution means someone is trying to kill them. That is called as delusion of persecution. So they have the thoughts that the other persons are trying or planning to kill this person. That is called as delusion of persecution. Next is delusion of reference. Delusion of reference means if any other persons are speaking, they feel that they are speaking about these persons. That is called as delusion of reference. Delusion of reference is nothing but some other people are talking about the patient. Next is delusion of grandeur. Delusion of grandeur is nothing but exaggerated self. Exaggerated self means they are having very high self-esteem and they believe that they are the god, they are having superpowers, they are the persons super intelligent and they can do anything. All these type of thoughts they can see. Usually this is called as delusion of grandeur. Next thing is delusion of jealousy. Delusion of jealousy means they feel that they are having an unfaithful partner. Unfaithful partner means they suspect their partner and they may be trying to find out whether the partner is cheating him or her. Next thing is delusion of love, or also called as erotomania, also called as de Clerambault syndrome, or also called as fantasy lover syndrome. That means in this erotomania or delusion of love, they feel that they higher class person or very rich person is in love with him or her. Usually this is very common in women. Next thing is delusion of infidelity. Delusion of infidelity is also called as morbid jealousy or pathological jealousy, or also called as Othello syndrome. Here they are going to feel that they are going to die very soon. That is called as delusion of infidelity or morbid jealousy. Next thing is delusion of guilt. Delusion of guilt is they are having very low self confidence about them and because of this they are going to have delusion of guilt. Next is nihilistic delusion, or also called as Cotard syndrome. They feel that everything is not real in front of them. They feel that everything is false. They feel that world is going to end. That is such type of things they are going to have in their mind. That is called as nihilistic delusion. Next is delusions of misidentification. Misidentification means they are not able to identify the persons or things in correct manner. Again in this there are two types. One is the Capgras syndrome and that is called as delusion of doubles or imposter. Means they feel that the known person or some of the relative of them, they feel that that person has been replaced by the imposter. Imposter means they feel that some other person has been occupied the position of them. That is called as delusion of doubles, or also called as Capgras syndrome. And the other type is Fregoli syndrome. In the Fregoli syndrome they feel that there is someone who is trying to harm them, but that person is changing the faces. That means any person who is coming in front of them, they feel that this is the same person who is trying to kill me came in a different appearance. So that is called as Fregoli syndrome. Now we will see some in detail some of the few delusions. Delusion of persecution usually seen in the condition like schizophrenia, mania and depression. Next thing is delusion of jealousy, usually common in alcoholism. Delusion of love also called as erotomania. There are symptoms like irritability, passionate, jealous, common in women and usually seen in disease condition like manic depressive psychosis. MDP is manic depressive psychosis. Here what they feel, women believes a higher class person is in love with him or her. Next thing is grandiose delusions. They feel that they are the famous celebrity or they are having some supernatural powers. That is called as grandiose delusion. Next thing is delusion of guilt. They feel that they are unworthy, they need punishment, they are going to get the punishment in a hell and they have done an unpardonable sin, etc. Such is called as delusion of guilt. Thank you. If you like this, subscribe and share to your friends and family members. And next parts are coming soon.